Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen, and today this is kind of a viewer's choice video. I have had so many requests over the last couple of weeks to show you some low density, mid-length, or a little longer styles, so that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to try to do it in 5 minutes. However, that 5 minutes doesn't start till I actually start showing the wigs. So first of all, a few things. All the wigs I'm going to show you today are from wigstudio1.com. And I have already reviewed all these wigs. So if you're looking for a wig review, all you have to do is type the name of the wig you're interested in the search bar of my channel, and the video will pop up for you. I'm not reviewing these wigs today. I'm just going to very quickly show them to you. And then if you see one you like, you can get more information from the full video, which will show you things like cap construction, indoor, outdoor lighting, discussion of permatease and fit. All of that is in the full video. Well, let's get started and look at some low density styles you asked for. All right, first up is Juliet from Push Hair by Wig Studio One. This color is Butterbeer Blonde. This has been a blockbuster. This is the most beautiful wig, absolutely making my top 10 this year, and I have had so many questions about it from previous videos. I wanted to show it to you. Now, as you know, these are bell tress fibers. Wig Studio One worked with bell tress to create these wigs in 10 of bell tress's most popular colors, this being one, Butterbeer Blonde. Low density, beautiful silhouette, just absolutely gorgeous, and it has bangs. All right, this is another super popular style. This is Raquel Welch, Current Events, SS Iced Cappuccino, What Not to Love. People really enjoy these lobs, longer in the front and a little shorter in the back. Super low density. You know, these are around for so long for a reason. Beautiful lace front. It's just classic. It never goes out of style. It's just perfectly done. Beautiful silhouette. Easy to wear. Low density. It has it all. All right, coming in for fall, this is Santa Monica Bell Tress Milkshake Blonde Rooted. Super popular. I have it in 3 or 4 colors now, maybe more. And I like this for fall because it is a little shorter. Now, I've shown you a couple that were a little longer. This one is a little shorter, so we'll be wearing jackets and turtlenecks and sweaters. And as we know, these heat-friendly wigs are going to need some heat. This one is short enough that hopefully you won't get as much friction from wear and tear, but you'll still eventually have to add a little heat. I can't get enough of these really choppy bobs. I think they're great. Another gorgeous low density bob. This is Amelie from Push Hair in the color Brown Sugar Sweet Cream, the color we all know and love. I think Wig Studio One hit a home run with these wigs that they collaborated with Bell Tress to make. This is one of the most natural looking wigs. I think it is perfect. Yes, this one is a little longer, will require heat. I like to use a little small flat iron. You've seen me talk about that before. It's easy to handle. You can just slide it through the ends, make those ends nice and smooth, and it will last you much longer. This is the longest in the bunch. I saved it for the last, Bell Tress Calabasas, and the color is Milkshake Blonde R. My goodness, what a beautiful, beautiful low density, longer style. This is another one. I get so many questions about this wig. It has a mono part, but it is still very low density. Yes, don't forget, add some heat to it. Easily taken care of with the right tools and the right temperature. Thanks for stopping by my channel and having a look at a few low density styles that you had asked to see. I hope you enjoyed this. Please leave me a lot of comments below. Please like and subscribe to my channel. That really helps me here on YouTube. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.